dia, keep the evil away, the evil away, the evil away. Spliff a dia, keep the evil away. I want spliff a dia, keep the evil away. Cause I am Billy Boy, why your boss DJ. She hear me DJ, she give me love right away. And take it back a craving it. I wanna take it back a craving it.
Reed, what's up, y'all? Back at it with another video, man. My fault for taking hella long. Motherfucker just been working hella much. But we finally back, man, with another video. Good ass one, too. Nigga went back to back on these things, man. Been fucking fishing here at Lake Merced since I started fishing Father's Day. I fuck with the fishing. This shit just be dumbass hard. Especially at this lake. A lot of people say this the hardest lake in Frisco to fish at. Maybe because it's the only lake in fucking Frisco we could fish at. I tried to come here right before the sun went down one time. Mosquitoes was fucking me up. I brought my son Khalil with me too. He came fishing with me. He seems to love it. Honestly, I think he just likes doing whatever I'm doing. But my son has autism and he's just nonverbal. But he still get his point across whenever he needs something. He gonna let you know. And that pole he got, he ended up throwing it in the water. And I didn't notice till he was reaching for mine. So we know now. But shout out to brother though, he came through and gave me 2 more poles. I'll show y'all later in the video. And the Ravens been fucking up so bad, I turned the game on the left, went straight fishing. Fuck that game. They ain't about to lose that shit. Show y'all my camera set up. Look at that, I got that thing on the, I don't even know what them things called. I'm gonna let that shit sit. Man, this shit stinks. Put 3 on there. Try this chatterbait out. Fucking Ravens playing like shit. See if we catch this one before the sun go down. Fucking Ravens lost. Last cast.
Finally. She wanna drink.
Don't kiss me, baby, you can kiss my chain.
Drink.
Don't kiss me, baby, you can kiss my chain.
Finally. You bitch. See that thing? Yes, sir. Yeesh. Release. Right here. This is the spot I caught that bass on. Right here next to this big ass tree. Hopefully this could be a little spot I could just pull up and go to. Trying to see if I can get a camera angle. Alright, that's cool. Fuck it. Put your ass right there. You got this white chatter with the gray shiny minnow. You got a brown one too. Got her back. Cruise, baby. Go with the brown one now. Still same color shad, same color minnow. Oh shit. Bro, that shit scared the fuck out of me. Bro. Damn, that thing about to pop off. Oh. Oh. bitch. Yeah. Look at that thing. Jeez. Yes, sir. Another one. Oh, shit. Another one in the Henry jersey. Yes, sir. I'm about to see if somebody wants this. Yeah. Bro, you want to fish? That's hella bro. Whoa. Good, brother.
Yeah.
Yep.
What'd you use, bro?
White chatterbait with a gray and white minnow.
Oh, what? That's
Yeah.
That's a fat ass fish.
Man. Got him. Seen that thing? That shit scared the fuck out of me, I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, we knocking this lake out. Damn. Yep. This might be my favorite lure. Chatterbait with the gray and white shining minnow. Damn, that thing scared the fuck out of me. See, we get two. I got it on him though. Finally. Shout out to brother. Got me these two new poles, nigga. I just broke my shit, buddy. Hey. Oh shit, look, it's that damn. It's that raccoon family. Look at these niggas. Look at all them. Look at that. Look at him. It's hell over, bro. Look at it. Yeah, it's cool, bro. I ain't gonna do nothing. Just trying to catch a fish. Look at these niggas. Yes, sir. Three for three, baby. Y'all see it? You want it? Yep. I just gave one of them a fish too.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
You good, huh?
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, sir.
Well, eesh. Got him. Bruh, you done missed it again. I was trying to look for y'all. I was trying to give y'all a fish. If y'all still around, I'll try to give it to y'all.
So, yeah,
Damn. See if we can get another one off the white thing. Hey, another one. Yes, sir. 12, 13 inches.
how I hold them?
Like you can hold them right here in the gills.
Scales?
Yeah. I mean, it's a little, like,
Pointy? Sharp?
I mean, it's not really sharp, but it ain't gonna cut you or nothing like that. So you can just hold it like that, or just put your finger through the gills.
Yeah, right on.
It's all good, buddy. Like you feel it?
Yep.
Yep. So you always want to keep that weight, like feel that little tension on your finger, and then as soon as you toss it, oh, you gotta open it. Bro, I be doing. Nah, bro, on my videos, bro, I do that shit like 20 times, bro. Oh shit, bro. We young, bro.
Oh, shit.
Bro.
Oh, shit, you gotta finish.
Yes, sir.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yes, sir. With my brother. Look at that, nigga.
Oh,
Oh shit. Yes, sir. Look at that, buddy.
Oh shit.
Fucking trying to show you.
That nigga looked at me. Bro,
Yes,
what,
sir.
Oh shit, bro.
Dang. Caught one more, brother.
Yes, sir. Huh? God damn,
You
bro.
want to toss him back?
Toss him back.
Oh, let me get you on the camera doing that.
They gonna be high. Off this nigga.
Yeah.
Woo.
That nigga just did the backflip.
Damn, bro. Hell yeah.
That's what I said. It's taking a little minute. Nigga. Hopefully they wake now.
She won't